What's good, everybody? It's your favorite DJ, DJ SleazyJo, coming at you with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are talking about my full DJ streaming and content setup, everything I use to record mixes, go live, and create content right here in my home studio. Let's get into it. So first up, the brain of the operation, my Hercules Impulse T7 Premium Edition. This thing right here goes crazy. I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing a review on it later, but I love it because it has motorized jog wheels, so it gives me that real vinyl feel even though I'm using digital. It's super responsive, perfect for scratching, and it also has built-in stem controls as well, so you can go crazy with that. All of that runs through my MacBook Pro 2018. This thing has been my workhorse since day one. I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you get a quality laptop when you're running these DJ softwares. You don't want anything to crash on you. You just want everything to go smooth. The software that I use is Virtual DJ, and it's pretty simple to use. I don't know. I'm pretty much on an island with Virtual DJ. I know everyone uses Serato. That's pretty much an industry standard, but typically when I'm using my controller, I'm using Virtual DJ. So that's me. So when it comes to voiceovers, using my microphone for live mixes, shout outs, or anything like that, I use the Rode NT USB mini mic. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing right here, audio sounds super crisp, and it's great for anybody working with a budget. It's only about $100, and they have it on Amazon. If you have Prime, it'll be to your house in 2 days. How I connect everything in my studio, I plug my board into my laptop, and then I run all of the sound through my audio interface, which is my iRig Solo Stream. And this little box right here helps me keep my audio sounding crisp, no background, no echoes, no feedback. The only thing going into my phone when I'm filming is clean audio. If you don't have one already, get yourself one. What kind of desk do I have? I have the Best Steer 42-inch L-shaped gaming desk, and this thing because it helps me keep all of my equipment nice and organized. It also has a shelf. It came with a RGB lighting strip, so it gives me a nice undertone for my videos when I'm mixing. Lighting does play a big part in videos, but it's not needed. You can have something simple, but it does come with it. It also has its own built-in power strip. So if you need to plug in anything like your laptop, your board, or anything else, you can plug that in. You also have 2 USB ports that you can use as well, and those are super clutch. So the type of laptop stand that I use, the Jam stand, it helps me keep my laptop elevated, and it also opens up space on my desk for anything extra I might need, just in case I want to use a mixer or anything else. Now, for my visual setup, filming, I try to keep it simple and clean. I use most of the time my iPhone 15, and I run all of the audio through my iRig and connect it straight into my phone. That's how I get clean audio straight from my phone to controller. Now, when I want crispy B-roll shots or maybe a more cinematic feel with another camera angle, I use my Canon T6 DSLR. It's not the most quality, but it gets the job done. You don't need a super expensive camera to shoot any type of crispy B-roll. You can get your phone as well, but I like this thing because it does have a great quality when you're shooting with it. So nothing crazy, but I've got acoustic sound panels on the 2 corners of the wall that I have my desk positioned on, and I just put those up honestly for an aesthetic feel, but also to help whenever I'm actually doing voiceovers or using my microphone for lives or anything like that. I sound clear. My voice isn't echoey. The room sounds real warm. So definitely get yourself some sound panels. You don't need to cover the entire wall, but again, it's more of an aesthetic thing as well. You can go on Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get a pack of 25 for maybe 15 to 20 bucks. It's a steal. So I do have some additional RGB lights that I use occasionally just to help set the mood. Sometimes I have a color changing vibe or maybe a off-tone vibe, just experimenting with light because I feel like it also helps set the mood with music, so they go hand in hand. But try to keep it simple. You don't have to do too much or have anything that breaks the budget. Again, I'll put all of these things that I have in my studio in the link in my description. And it's pretty budget friendly, y'all. I'm not trying to break the bank. This works for me. I hope my insight was helpful, and more videos coming soon. You don't need the most expensive gear. You don't need to break the bank. Get something that works for you in the space that you have and just rock out. But make it yours, make it unique. If you want to decorate, you can decorate. If you want to just keep it simple and minimalistic, you can do that as well. But build your studio, start recording, start creating content, put those videos out there, put out those podcasts, put out those reactions, whatever you're working on, man, just keep it going. But more videos coming soon. DJ SleazyJo signing out. Y'all have a good one.